the Leica Mini 3. A retro film camera. Insert here. Open. Film here. Simple. Lens. Viewfinder. Flash. Leica dot. Hinge. Other side of viewfinder. And my perspective through a viewfinder. Wavy. Mode. Timer. On and off. Shutter. High resolution LCD. Controls are simplistic. The camera body's cheap, but the rolls of film are explicit and expensive. In some ways, it's better than digital. It's a simplistic way of taking photos. Digital has too many controls. Film allows you to slow down and take your shot, allowing you to fulfill your creative desires. The end.